Just a few simple pantry ingredients, and you end up with a sauce that can completely transform your meals. This Greek Ladolemono dressing is fresh, zesty, and packed with flavor, yet incredibly easy to make at home. You can find the full recipe with exact measurements in the description below. Start with 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil to create that bright, smooth, and well-balanced base. Then add 1 to 2 cloves of finely minced garlic along with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano for that classic Mediterranean flavor and aroma. Next, go in with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper to enhance and round out the taste. And finally, if you want a slightly creamier texture, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which is completely optional, but really helps bring everything together. Now whisk everything together continuously until the sauce starts to come together, turning smooth, slightly creamy, and beautifully emulsified. If this is your kind of recipe, quick, simple, and full of flavor, go ahead and give this video a like and share it with someone who would love it too. And if you are not already part of the family, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on what's coming next. And just like that, your Greek Ladolemono sauce is ready. It makes about 3/4 cup, perfect for drizzling over salads, grilled chicken, fish, or roasted vegetables. Give this a try and see how easily it brings everything together with fresh, vibrant flavor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple